Hello, today I'm going to introduce the Salon Care 30 Volume Creme Developer. So I use this when I am dyeing my hair, which I do about every 2 months, and it's definitely a fundamental product for anybody dyeing their hair. Any stylist will have some form of developer, and this one is just amazing. It basically comes in this white bottle here. It's a plastic bottle with a red cap, and this one's about 16 ounces, but I know they have a 32-ounce one, and so, you just have to find what works for you. I found this fit better with the rest of my hair care products, and that's how I like to store them. So I basically use it for lightening my hair, and I'll explain that in a second. Usually developer is used with bleach as a way to kind of activate the formula, and so it allows you to, because if you just put plain powder bleach on your hair, then it doesn't really do much for you. That's why you need this developer, and the number on it really signifies how much lift you're giving your hair. The kind of hair dye I use already has that bleach built in, so I don't usually mix it with bleach. I just mix it directly with my hair color, my hair dye, and I use L'Oreal High Color, highlights for dark hair. So that doesn't really require you to bleach it. That's why I just kind of add this to it. It doesn't smell too great, so I wouldn't start sniffing it. It has a lot of chemicals, but that's what happens when you're trying to activate bleach on your hair. And so when I went to the beauty supply store, this is what I was looking for. The store clerk, the sales associate, pointed it out to me right away when I said I needed some developer, and I have stuck by it. I have bought different volumes. I think I have the 20 volume one. What I do enjoy about this is it is a cream consistency, and a lot of these are just really clear liquid, but this kind of is easier to apply on your scalp, so that definitely comes in handy. Now, it all depends on the products you use, like what hair dye you use and whether you add conditioner to it or not, and how you want your hair to look. So leaving it in is really important on your head. You mix the developer with your hair dye or with bleach, and then depending on the results you want, that's how long you leave it on your head and let it develop, let it do its job. So it's a pretty straightforward product. Measuring can be tricky, but you can also get those measuring cups for hair dye that are perfect for this at any store, really. I mean, I use my Tupperware containers, so as long as over time, you'll kind of know the measurements that you need to use, but I would definitely read the instructions on the back of your hair dye to fully know. And there's a lot here, and a lot of ingredients. The first one is water, and then hydrogen peroxide, cetearyl alcohol, and to be honest, I'm terrible at reading these ingredients, but hopefully you get the idea. I do know that a lot of professionals use these, and it does make your life a lot easier to not have to go to beauty salons all the time to dye your hair. A lot of people don't know that, but that's why I never go to salons. I always do my hair with these products, and they work out really well for me. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.